You can now add the HB 410 attendance hours to your GradeBook report cards and parent access. First, we're going to add the attendance hours options as an administrator before we add them to the report card. On the administrator homepage, below named codes, click Absence Totals. On the Absence Totals screen, select the Absence Totals codes you want to edit by selecting the name from the drop-down list. In the Available Calculations column, SIS absence hours, SIS present hours, and SIS number of times tardy are now available. Select the checkbox in the Use column for the calculations you want to add. Once added, they will become available for use on your report cards. The asterisks after these items indicate that they will display on the report card entry screen for teachers. They will also display in parent access for parents and students if your district already has attendance displayed. After you make your selections, click Save. Please keep in mind that SIS number of times tardy isn't required by ODE and may not be necessary for your district. Also, SIS times tardy may display a different value than the custom times tardy already set up in GradeBook. This could cause discrepancies on report cards, the Enter Report Card screen, and in parent access. For consistency, we recommend you display only one at a time. To prevent displaying both, a notice will appear on the screen when you click Save if both times tardy and SIS times tardy are selected. Now that we've added the attendance hours options, we will add them to the report card. Return to the administrator homepage. Below Grading Setup, click Report Card Builder. On the report card screen, select the report card to which you would like to add the HB 410 attendance hours by clicking the arrow beside the report card's name. Anytime you are making changes to a report card, set the mode to Testing and click Save. Next, click the Assessment tab. In the Course drop-down list, select the course where your school records attendance. In the Assessment column, enter the names you would like to use for the attendance totals. The names that display on the templates we will add later are hours absent and hours present. After creating a name, enter the sequence number, then select a mark type of points. Ensure that the default grading scale is not selected, and then add a default calculation of average. Next, select Yes for pull mark and Yes for print mark. Select No for value required. This value is used for the report card verification report. If your district uses this report, select Yes, and then click Save. Next, click the Requirements tab. Locate the newly added attendance assessments and select the checkbox in the columns for the reporting periods in which you want these totals to display, and click Save. If you're using Advanced Calculations, you must select the Advanced Calcs tab. If you're using Basic Calculations, you can skip this step. Select your attendance course from the drop-down list. In each drop-down, select the method that corresponds with the newly added attendance assessment. For example, we added hours absent, so select SIS absent hours all the way across the row. Repeat this process for hours present and click Save. Next, we're going to add the new attendance hours templates to our report card. Navigate to the Template tab. In the Option column, locate the name of the attendance template piece that corresponds with the assessments you added earlier. Make sure you select the correct course that has your new attendance assessments, and click Save. Finally, click the Mappings tab. Here, select the course containing your attendance totals. Then, in each reporting period that will use the new HB 410 totals, select the associated identifier from the drop-down list and click Save. Now that we are done with the setup, navigate back to the General tab. Set your report card back to active, save it, and then compile. Once the report card is active, teachers can see the HB 410 attendance totals in the student column on the report card entry screen.